Did we accomplish our 2018 homestead goals? Let's see. Hi, this is Abby Jo at Forgotten Way Farms, and I'm so glad you're joining me today. We're going to be doing a little 2018 recap and just talking about if we met our homestead goals. Actually, I'm going to be talking. My husband can't be here today because he's at work. But yeah, we're going to be just covering homestead goals, and we just jumped on with a great collaboration. That's what we're doing today. So I got my Kleenex box ready, and I have cough drops. I'm just getting over having a really, really bad cold flu right after Christmas. I've been hacking so bad. I haven't even been able to do a video. I feel really bad about that. I'm sorry. But I've had to focus on getting well. I was hacking so bad this week I couldn't even talk. So I thought I would jump on though and do this video because I really want to talk to you guys about 2018 and did we accomplish our goals? Just kind of a 2018 recap for our homestead. So bear with me, especially with my voice and my red nose here. I'm super excited just to go over a few things with you guys. And later this weekend, hopefully I'll even be better and I'll be able to do a video with my husband. We have several things we want to talk to you guys about, kind of our goals, and hopefully we can do an intro family video, and we got quite a few up our sleeves of some really good content heading your way. So let's back up all the way to 2017, the very end of 2017, October. I know we're recapping 2018, but if we back up, I can kind of tell you what we were looking at. So 2017, October, I had a little girl, and just having a brand new baby on a homestead is, I always say your first year is just, it's a blur. So it's been a really wonderful, wonderful experience having a little baby girl in our house. We've just soaked it up, all the love, and seen her grow and go from, you know, needing you every few hours, nursing and all the things that goes to walking around the house now. So 2018 brought us a brand new baby. It was a graduation for my son. We homeschool our children. We have 7 children, and the next few videos I want to tell you guys a little bit more about ourselves, about my husband and I, our dreams, our goals, but this video is just recapping for you guys. And if you guys keep watching this, at the very end I am going to show you guys my son's wedding. Stay tuned at the very end to see a little bit of beautiful wedding. So 2018 brought my son graduating, taking all his testings to get into the Marine Corps. It's been a dream since he was a little boy. He always wanted to go into the Marine Corps. We traveled down to San Diego for his graduation, which was awesome. And then he got engaged to his sweetheart this summer, and we had a December Christmas wedding a few days before Christmas. Lots of stuff going on with that. You know, when you're in the Marine Corps, you can't just do what you want. You have to wait for orders. So we were waiting and waiting, and we didn't know exactly what day the wedding was going to be. But it turned out to be a beautiful wedding, and we were so blessed to see our 2 kids. And I truly believe she's my new kid. I love her so much. It's so neat to see your children grow up and to find the love of their life and to see them go off together and start their new life. It's been emotional and exciting and just a really happy time. But no wonder I got a cold and flu. I mean, there's just been so much going on. I think my body was probably just, you know, emotionally, physically depleted. And add probably too much sugar to all that. So on the personal level, you know, we had a lot of things going on with, you know, my son and having a brand new baby. So that was pretty, intense. And about exactly 2 years ago, now it's crazy, we have a 2-year homestead celebration. We moved into this 20-acre fixer-upper home. It was always wanted 20 acres. It's just kind of been this weird number in our head, like, oh, we want to live on 20 acres. I think we just wanted the room. We wanted enough land that gave us timber to harvest our own timber, to cut our own wood, to manage meadows and woods and everything. So We are in a 2-year, celebration, and it's pretty exciting. We've been talking the last few days, even though we've been sick, at this house, is making goals for the new year. The last 2 years, I feel like outside we haven't gotten a lot done. I actually truly believe you should get outside stuff done first when you move to a homestead, but this place had a lot of garbage on the property at renters before, so we have literally taken, like 30 or 40 loads of garbage to the dump since being here. We've had to fix lots of issues on the property. We had some wiring issues, we had some plumbing issues, and we even had some septic issues, so we had to kind of fix our property. We had a lot of fixing to do. But we got this place for a great deal. We love it. We're very, very happy about this property. But there's just a lot going on. And then you add that with a new baby and children and everything. I feel like this last year was busy and it was productive. I felt like we got some of our main goals done. And then you can see it right here in this video. We did a kitchen remodel. It was just a quick and dirty kitchen remodel, but it turned out really nice. And that made me feel really good, having a really good, pretty workspace. I really enjoy that. I feel bad doing this video with my horrible, craggly voice. Hope you guys can endure this. So 2018, my husband and I always write down our goals. We don't hit the new year. We actually give ourselves the entire month of January to really think about what we want and what we want to do. I still have my Christmas tree up, and I'll probably keep it up for another week, especially if you were following us on Instagram and Facebook. I actually, it's my second Christmas tree because our first one died. So I'll be keeping my Christmas tree up for at least another week or two. I love it. It's just fun. And it's a lot of time right now to just really focus on our goals and write down things. And I feel like sometimes we're too hard on ourselves as Americans. We just want to make all these goals, and I more like to set the tone for the new year. And there's goals, homestead goals, but you don't have to. I think you need to take time and write those things down and just give yourself room and excitement for the new year. So January is kind of my whole month of setting aside time to write things down, write personal goals down, family goals down, homesteading goals, business goals, all of that kind of stuff. So did we accomplish our homestead goals? I think we did. Our homestead goals this year, my husband and I basically knew we had a new baby and we had a lot of personal things going on. So we just were like, let's clean the property up and work on construction things and things that we need to get done and just kind of organize our life. And we got those things done. And one of our other big things was to write a cookbook. So this summer, is kind of a cool story. My really, really sweet friend, Melissa, and I were at a reservoir and the kids were swimming and we were talking about things, and I had told my friend that I really wanted to write a cookbook and I wanted to grow our YouTube channel. Those were this was August, late August. And my daughter, she's awesome. She really encouraged me that, Mom, let's do this. Let's do this cookbook. So we just put our heart and soul for 2 months, just photographing and writing out our cookbook. And it's a family heirloom recipes. And it was really bonding and it was wonderful, and we got it done. So that was one of our homesteading goals. And the other was growing our YouTube channel. And boy, did we grow it. I am so thankful. I am so thankful to all of you guys. I'm thankful to all the channels that have been so loving and supportive. I feel like I found a community of people that are real and genuine. And I'm going to shout out a couple people right now. And one is VW Farms. They are just sweethearts, and I just appreciate how much they cared about us hitting 1,000 by Christmas, and we hit that goal, and I am just so thankful. Another is the Green Dream Project. I love what they're doing. My husband and I have a heart for permaculture and off-grid living, and I just love what they're doing and just the energy that they give in their videos and the excitement, and I'm excited to see what they're doing. Even though I live in a northern climate, it's really nice to see how people are homesteading in different areas. So shout out to Green Dream Project. You guys are awesome. Another person, she's such a doll. She's my friend, Kaylee, at Farm on Quail Hollow. She has just been so inspirational, so sweet, and so genuine. She's just been amazing. And my other friend, Angela, the Parisian Farm Girl, she's had my back this whole time, as we both have been encouraging each other as our channels have grown. So it's just been really, really cool. Those are just a few shout outs. There's been so many other great people. I just thank you so much for all your support and encouragement. We have a lot of big goals this year, and my garden is one of them. I had a pretty good garden, but we need to redo the garden. I'm using the old garden that came with the property. It's not permacultured. It's not even mulched. There's just so much I want to do. And I'm excited about this year because I've got a little bit older children this year. My little ones are a little older. I'm going to be taking you guys along that journey as we kind of redo our whole garden area and add permaculture methods and start our seeds from scratch, all those things. I am just really excited about sharing that. So we have a lot of things on the menu, even telling our story, so you guys can see our full, like the last 10 years of like where we started homesteading and where we're going. And I'm just really excited to share that with you guys. It's gonna be a really fun time on YouTube. I'm excited. So sorry, I got a little sidetracked telling you all those things, but basically my friend and I were talking about those were the goals, and she just texted me like a week ago. It was so sweet, and she said, Abby, we were sitting on the beach August this year, and you were telling me you wanted to write a cookbook and you wanted to grow your YouTube channel. She goes, I'm just so amazed to see everything that you said on the beach has come to fruition. And it really excited me when I got that text from her, because I didn't even realize that it had happened. It's like sometimes I think it's really important to say what you're going to do out loud, because it helps to keep you accountable, and even just encourages you when a friend texts you and says, hey, you met your goals. And it's just pretty cool. So that's partly why I wanted to jump on and do this collaboration. I'm going to call out a couple people for this collaboration, and that will be, again, Kaylee, Quail Hollow Road. Yes. Sorry, Kaylee, I'm horrible at names. And VW Farms and the Green Dream Project. I would like to hear if you guys hit your goals this year. And I'd like to know if you guys feel like we hit our goals. We didn't have like a huge, like major goal list this year, but we did do the cookbook. We did clean the property up. We have more cleanup to do. We did our remodeling projects, and we have a huge list of more things to do. But that's just life, you know. It's one bite at a time, one step at a time. You guys can do this. I'm excited to hear. Why don't you put in your comments below your guys' goals, were they met for 2018? I would love to know. Or even what you guys are planning to do for 2019 this year on your homestead. I just appreciate you guys. And if you guys are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit that notification button. And if you'd like to share to others about this channel, I would really appreciate that. Thank you guys so much. And why don't you stay tuned right now to watch a clip of my son's wedding. Bye.